Screen assembly. Rubber back washers in stainless. One each side. Okay, screw together. One side. And then you're ready to put it on. The screen comes in 3 finishes: the tint, crystal clear and jet black. All high gloss. All laser cut edges, all polished. All made in the UK. And assembly. It's adjustable for height and depth, so you can position it exactly how you would like it. Very simple indeed. Even if you can do it. Centralise. Voila! Here and lock. It's adjustable for height and adjustable for depth. So if you want it a little bit out, a bit more out than in, or get it level, you've got all the adjustment you'd ever need. Little logo on there. That's laser etched from the back on the clear and the tinted. On the black one, it's laser etched on the front, obviously, so because you can't see through it. It's lovely, made for the job. Series 2's next.
Get cracking.